So what we've been doing in class so far is talking about motion, using motion diagrams as well as starting to use dt or distance time and vt velocity time graphs. For this time, what you're going to need to do is create some of your own motion. So rather than just do the ones that I give you, that's boring. You're going to be making your own and describing them while making your own graphs. So what you're going to need is a Vernier LabQuest 2, one of these guys, a motion detector, one of these guys. This is what we call the connecting cable. It connects your detector to the LabQuest, and of course your Chromebooks. So the first thing you have to do is go ahead and connect your motion detector to the LabQuest. So it's as simple as plugging one end of the connecting cable into this port that says DIG1, so DIG1 on the top there, and connect the other one to the Chromebook or the motion detector itself, and the side just like that. So it's going to start ticking. All that's using is it's just using sound waves. That's how it sort of like a cop's radar gun. That's how it graphs the motion that we're going to be using. So you hear a little tick every once in a while. But now what we have to do is get this wireless device. So this is a wireless device connected to your Chromebook, another wireless device. So switch motion over here to the Chromebook, and you're gonna have to have this Vernier app downloaded already. I have it already downloaded, so there it is right there. It'll take a minute or so to load. So while that's loading, what you can do is go ahead to your LabQuest 2, and we want the data collection range to be 10 seconds. So it comes automatically on here as 5 seconds, but again, we're going to change this data collection. So if we just go to the top, sensors, go to data collection. Oops, I hit the wrong one there. So go back to the app. Mistake. Don't hit that one. You want to hit data collection and change this duration. So you should see duration there. Change the duration from 5 seconds to 10. There's a little bit of learning curve that goes along with this, but not a big deal. Nothing you can ruin. Just hit done. And okay. So now you see on your Chromebook, a few options are going to pop up. Sensor data collection, so that's if you had a USB cable. Data sharing, so this allows the Wi-Fi in the LabQuest to connect to the Wi-Fi in the Chromebooks, and that's what we're going to do. Click that second option, and the LabQuest is just our LabQuest device. And you're going to click on that option. And of course, it's being a pain. So we'll try it again. And we'll try refreshing the page. And yeah, like we said, this thing's a little temperamental. There's a little bit of learning curve, but second time's a charm here. Now again, with this assignment, we said that we're going to be graphing your own motion. So you have the freedom to choose what kind of motion you want to graph. Maybe a ball rolling, a box sliding to a stop. Maybe you want to do a set of motion on your own. So I'm just going to give an example of a set of motion. We see that 10 seconds is the time frame here. That's what we changed it to. So that's perfect over on this portion of the screen. When you're ready to go, just set up your motion detector so it's pointing your object. So that's what I'm doing over here. Go ahead when you're ready, press collect, and it should start graphing both the DT up top here and VT on the bottom there, your motion. So after you've collected your motion, you're going to see that here's some two graphs that pop up. A little bit different than what we've been making in class, right? We've been making perfect scenarios in class, but this is real life motion here. Once you get, you might have to take a few different trials to get your motion set just perfect. What I did is I started, about half a meter away from the motion detector. I walked away at a constant speed, stood still for approximately 3 seconds, and then walked back closer to the motion detector faster than I walked away at. And you see I ended about half a meter away from the motion detector and stood there for the remaining 3 seconds or so. So that was the set of motion I did. Of course, you guys get to choose whatever you want. And for this assignment, once you're all done graphing the motion, you might again have to take a few trials. Take a screenshot of your 2 sets of motion, and in 3 to 5 sentences, describe your motion, what the DT and VT graphs look like at each point. So each different segment of the graph, explain what it is. Take a screenshot of it, upload it to Google Classroom. So as a class, we can comment all these, look at them together up here on Google Classroom. So any questions, just let me know, and that's it. Thank you.